Hey friends, so here I have my black and white plaid black and white bowl cozy. So this has flannel on both sides, and sandwiched in between is a cotton batting. It is sewed with cotton thread, microwaveable, safe for up to 2 minutes at a time. Bowl. You can hold it by the corners, you can hold it on the bottom, and this is great for hot or cold. I normally use it when I'm eating ramen, so instant ramen. This is what I use it for. They are washable, and you can put them in the dryer. Fantastic. And I've got quite a few of this design available, so check them out in the shop. Thanks.